tense. Fuck being low-key, you bitch know me. I'm causing so much mischief, don't call me low-key. Smoking so much gas, I'm way up, I'm holy. Pulled out the bankroll, that bitch said holy moly. They be hating OD, no one can remote control me. How she catch?
What's Gucci, guys? It's Paul Kruszewski here. Today's gonna be a great day. I'm starting it off right. We going to Treaty Skate Park. We're gonna be heading to Treaty. I haven't skated there in a minute, and it's gonna be fun. Tony's on the phone with her mom, wishing her a happy Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day today, so I already said happy Mother's Day to my mom. But anyways, any mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. So I'm probably gonna stop, get some breakfast on the way. Nice sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle. I don't know. Might grab something different, but who knows? Then we off to Treaty. I'm gonna shred, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoy. Treaty today, it's Sunday. Normally on a Sunday, the whole skate park is packed with kids, but today, as you can see, no one's here. I just saw a homie pull up. He's finna skate too, but I'm gonna get some warm up in, just enjoy this sesh by myself, and then start filming some tricks. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I don't always come to this skate park, but I'm gonna start coming to the skate park a lot more, if it's looking like this. But it is Mother's Day, so we have to count for that. I'm not even skating yet, and I'm already sweating. It's 90 degrees out here, but no excuses. Let's get it going.
well, gotta cut that a little bit short. As you can see, it's raining. It's raining hard. At least I got some of my session. We might go get some food. I don't know what we're doing after this. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Alright, what's Gucci guys? The other day I was at 3D Skatepark and we were skating, so it's been a few days. I just had to do a bunch of shit and make sure my bills are straight. So, in that meantime I spent $400 on a VR headset, you know? And it finally arrived. The Oculus Rift S. Dude, I've been waiting for this for a fucking minute, dude. Dude.
Damn, I got that new technology smell.
Bro, this is so smooth. Look at the fucking... Look at the controllers. These shit's warm, though, bro. I went skating at 3D. I got a bunch of clips. I did that one really nice line that I liked. You saw the quick unboxing that I got of the Oculus. It wasn't really that professionally done because I just really wanted to fucking open up the Oculus. I've been waiting for days and weeks basically for the virtual headset. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of YouTube videos on the VR headset. I might throw in some clips of some games at the end of this, but I'm not too sure. And I'm definitely going to do a review on this. It looks pretty fire. It looks pretty similar to the Oculus Rift, but they added a bunch of new things that I'll probably go over in the review if you guys are interested in that. Gucci guys, hope you've been enjoying the vlog. Went to 3D Skatepark, unboxed the Oculus Rift S. It's pretty lit, and went swimming. My virtual reality headset, I've been playing that for a while now. It's really fun. It honestly makes you immersed in a whole new world. If anyone has a computer good enough for VR, I suggest you buy it. Just been editing some VR videos recently. I've had to deal with a bunch of adult stuff, so I haven't been able to post a bunch of content as I want to. Basically just a bunch of excuses as to why I haven't posted. But I'm working through it. I'm going on my usual yearly trip to New York soon, so I hope you guys have been enjoying all my videos. I'll be posting as much as I can. Comment, like, subscribe, all of that. Turn on post notifications, and I'll catch you guys for the next one.